Here we go, fourth graders. Your wording target is I can use keywords to search for information. Let's go like this. There we go. So what I'm going to start out with first is my keyword search. So my essential question that I'm looking for is how can I persuade adults that we should have year-round school? So now I'm going to type in some keywords that I could search for from this. And really, when I'm getting specific to my topic, I see year-round school. And I'm not going to do it as just one, because if I look for year by itself, round by itself, and school by itself, I'm going to get some weird answers. So I'm going to do year-round school. Now, I need to think of some synonyms that could be the same. I don't know that there's many for school. But I'm thinking of maybe something else that could mean the same as year-round, because I know that year-round means that it's going to go on for the full year. So maybe I could say full year school. Maybe I'll just start with those. If you ever needed to, you could go to Word Central, go to Thesaurus, and you could find some if you thought they would help you. For instance, if I typed in school, there's academy, seminary, maybe that would work, and you can see they have some words like elementary school, grammar school, high school. But I think, since I'm not talking about just one type of school, I'm talking about all of them, I'm going to leave it as year-round school and maybe try full year school. Now, I'm going to go to the elementary homepage. I'm going to try searching and seeing what I can find using those keywords. So, for instance, I could go to PebbleGo Next. I'm really familiar with PebbleGo Next, so that's why I chose that. So I can go year-round school. You can see it says unable to find one, so now I'm going to change this to full year school. Same thing, nothing happened there. Since that's all I have on my keyword search right now, that tells me that maybe this database is not the right one to use. I'm going to try this one. Research in context. In the interest of time, if you were actually doing this, you would have to go through several of these. I've already gone through several, and I know where I can find this one. So if I go through here, I type in year-round school. Now I have to decide, is what I'm seeing going to help me? So I see that I get something right here about year-round schooling right up here. And it looks like, just from browsing it, that this might be more that could tell me what I need. As I'm looking over here, I see there's something about education in the United States, which is a reference that could possibly help me. This picture of a school building is not going to help me. Nothing about college is going to help me, so I'm not going to look there. This one possibly could help me too, so I certainly could look there. So really what it comes down to is using your keywords and then looking through these databases to see which ones might help you. I will tell you that some that really work well to help you kind of narrow it down a little bit, PebbleGo Next, Britannica, and Gale. And in fact, I think Student Resources in Gale might have been where I looked too. Yep, so I'll show you what it looks like here. Year-round school. You see there's some biographies, some audio things there, but when I get down here to magazines, I see a Scholastic Weekly Newsreader, so I can click that and look at it, and it'll play it for you too. So those would be how you use keywords to search for information.